Okay, so I got a question the other day about what I do. What are accountants and why did you want to become an accountant? Well, to be honest with you, I do or I did like working with numbers. When I first learned accounting, I was working with a CPA, and this was years ago. And he would have me do journal entries, and then I didn't even really know what a general ledger was, all of these things, but I really liked it. And so I said, you know what? I want to go to school and be an accountant. Why did I do that? I would say because I wanted to go above and beyond the normal discipline. And I think I might have did some research on how much you can make as an accountant. Now, if I didn't, I know now that accountants can make some bread. I mean, make some money. And so what does that mean? I'm going to share my screen real quick. Because like I said, someone asked me the other day and I said, you know what? It is a lucrative career. It's a fun career and everybody doesn't do it, right? So why not be, do better than a lot of other people? Not even do better, but like get a career that you're gonna like, and one that's gonna yield you some money. So I went to Glassdoor and I was on salaries. As a matter of fact, let's see, it's right over here. Got all these windows open. And so how much does an accountant make? I mean, this is like base salary. That's a good starting base salary, especially with the prices of life today. So that's the base pay. Additional pay is $4,400, and that's just for a general accounting career or position. 2 to 4 years experience. Total pay though for an accountant, $45,000 to $102,000. Now that's, like I said, that's base. Someone like myself with more years of experience can probably get hired more at the 102 range. But yeah, you have a bachelor's degree, and that's the other thing I tell people. I'm an accountant. I went to school for 4 years, and I was not playing with QuickBooks. I think I had maybe 2 classes of QuickBooks, one at the associate's level and one at the bachelor's level. So when we talk about accounting, 4 years, I did not sit there playing with QuickBooks, y'all. Okay, I just use that as a tool and a system because it's easy, it's convenient, and they've been around for a long time. So what else about accountants? Responsible for a wide variety of finance-related tasks that are primarily associated with preparing financial records, financial statements. I've shown that in my videos. I plan to keep, just giving that knowledge of what financial statements mean, financial records. They include computing taxes and preparing tax returns, organizing and maintaining financial records, ensuring statements are accurate. So that's what accountants do. That's what, basically the high level work of accountants are, right? And so the other thing they talk about an accountant, senior accountant. So I'm definitely senior accountant, adjunct accountant, definitely adjunct too. So what else stood out to me? I think down here, what do accountants do all day? They spend their day recording the financial data of company or individuals. They also prepare tax returns and conduct risk analysis and financial forecasts, and they must ensure the accuracy of all transactions. So this makes me think about the different levels of accounting. There are, there's a variety of accounting levels and accounting knowledge, right? So you could be a tax accountant, you could be a staff accountant, you can be a cost accountant. There's just a lot of different areas that you can go into as an accountant. So it almost has endless opportunities. But just being a general accountant, understanding the base of accounting. I mean, it's a different language when you're talking to an accountant, right? It's like talking Spanish. or something, a different foreign language to someone. And because there's so much involved in that learning of becoming an accountant. But again, to me, it's worth it. It was worth it. I would do it again. Is it a good career? It says yes for those who enjoy working with numbers, and it is very stable career. Now, you don't, I mean, I did, like I said, I like working with numbers. I like things that are, 1 + 2 is 3, period, no in between, no gray areas. But to me, you don't have, listen, accounting is not an easy discipline, but it's doable. Okay. And I think that people need to explore that a lot more than what we see today. A lot of accountants don't look like me. As a matter of fact, 75% of accountants hired do not look like me. So I want people that look like me to be able to count their own bag and count bags of other people that look like them. So yes, we already talked about them getting paid really well. Is it a hard job? It can be challenging, but it's all doable. So that's what I have to say. Go to my website, JRambus.com, sign up for my mailing list, and I will see you on the other side.